So we're here at Identity Week Asia 2023. I'm Evie Kim Singh for identityweek.net. I'm joined now by Shanty from IXLA, who's Director for the APAC region.
Yes.
Can you tell us about the key features and benefits of your desktop laser personalisation technology? What sets you apart in the market?
Well, we're basically trying to be user-friendly in some way. We work mainly with the system integrators, and one of the key points is, we need to make sure that we deliver the efficiency and effectiveness. But in what way? We're basically trying to give, assurance that the machine is consistent, because production of personalization is very, very important, in this industry. We also make sure that there is lesser downtime, especially to integrate the existing system obviously with the government side, with the existing, database, and always, provide a consistent high quality personalization at the end.
National ID cards and passports are essential for security and verification. How does your technology enhance the security of these documents?
Well, we obviously, this is not per se, my technology. We depend on the cards as well, but obviously we need to help or shake hand, with this card technology. How do we actually, put something like a delicate microtext or something customized, that is, customized patterns, from the customer's perspective, a patented technology, which we can deliver, by settings the parameters or some certain, technical part, that we help with lasering angles. So this is the key points, to help, government achieving, a very high, secured, national IDs.
And does it explain some of the real applications that you've been working on with this technology? You mentioned governments using it.
Well, we have done, deployed 3,300 units so far within our 20 years, operation, 95 countries. I do apologize, I can't remember how many, national projects exactly, but the key point is, we help to enhance, the production, not only inside locally, inside the country itself, but also in the embassies. Think about, when you're staying outside, if you're staying in Singapore, you still get your UK passport. This is a key point, you have to make sure that it's the same quality, the same result that is actually consistent.
And the same security across every region.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
Absolutely. This is the key point.
You've been doing it for 20 years. That's amazing. How do you adapt and innovate to meet the challenging needs of governments and organisations?
We listen, and we also exchange, ideas, knowledge, with the in-field expert. And we also, work closely using our R&D team. We have a very, very strong R&D culture. But at the same time, we're not forgetting, government requirements and the industry trends as well. So all of this, has to be mixed in balance in some way. And out of this result, we also make sure that it's also user-friendly. So this is a key point. As a matter of fact, out of this full exercise of very rigorous, discussions, we are proudly, happy that this year we have a new product, XPrint, which is a combination of laser and DoD inkjet.
How have you found Identity Week in terms of meeting those government people, people from different organisations, enterprises?
In relation to our philosophy, it's always great to meet, face in face. Discussions are much more, flowing, easily. They're asking, maybe silly questions to them, but it's not silly for us because that's what we need to know. There, difficulties, in the real world, in the real field, what's going on. These are very open discussions, nothing pretentious, everything is like a learning session for us as well, and we take that back. And we'll see, we always try to make, improvements on our products based on this exchange in some way.
Thank you, Shanty. It's been brilliant to talk to you.
Thank you very much for your time, Evie.